Construction of the 55 megawatts solar power plant in Garissa has faced delays since plans were unveiled 4 years ago.
It is also a very good project because it is located quite far from any other generating station. So it's going to improve what we normally call the voltage profile of that area. And even when we start extending the grid to the rest of the north eastern province, this generation is going to be very helpful because it is going to be the local supply that will improve the quality of power in that area.
Construction of the facility was expected to start in July but was delayed to December this year as the Rural Electrification Authority sought finances to fund the project as well as power purchasing agreement from Kenya Power.
Power project in Garissa is the first in the history of our country. And I really want to say thanks to the Chinese government for extending the loan of 13 billion, thanking the implementing agency, which is rare. Of course, the contractor is a Shanxi Corporation International Company.
And I'm sure this project is going to generate more employment to the young people, is going to generate more socio-economic development.
Power from the solar plant will be injected to the national grid as part of plans to reduce reliance on the expensive thermal power that the area has been depending on.
The solar power plant will utilize over 200,000 PV panels of 250 megawatts, watts each, and will produce 76,473 megawatts of power per annum, and in turn lessen the carbon footprint by reducing carbon emissions to the atmosphere by 43,000 tons.
The Rural Electrification Authority is now banking on the energy bill to roll out more renewable energy projects over the next 15 years that are expected to cost taxpayers at least 101 billion shillings.
Energy bill, it will put there to be the agency that will be taking interest of the renewable energy in our country.
In the current financial year, the Rural Electrification Authority plans to spend 1.7 billion shillings on constructing 25 solar mini grids. Ronald Owili, Business Insight.